Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to quickly change your battery in your BMW key. So let's get started. Press this button and stick the key out from the pilot, and you should take this plastic off from the cover, and voila, we have our battery here. Carefully take it out. This is the model CR2450. Brand is Sony. This is the original battery. So you're gonna change it, put it down, put the cover in, put the key fob here, and get back key to his place. Voila, you have a new battery in your key fob. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel. I'll see you by next video. Hey.